description mashaka ndata ka wala mara kenso swa ko mi jone hale kan Nkanelo Gingirikani bitra mina Mandla Gingirikani wa kuma shavan kenso snene namtlela ku endla viewing session like you see in the title. It's called viewing session. You know, we have listening session. This one is a viewing session. West given for man sandle na wire lawan bakaba ku baby shower se endla viewing session ya yona na stock sekutana the viewing session total ngopla handle. Anyway, I don't go by comedian he baby shower. Na shloko and the name is the post video marna chava ku kuna the copyright issues. You know, I hope kuna kneka learning commit copyright problems because I dealt with copyright issues can social media post previously and it's not nice, you know. I also once been hit by a copyright strike from some artist. It's a Shitsonga opera singer. I think it's based in Germany. He once sent me a copyright strike for doing this kind of things. So shy chavisa inakuba inta finally because it doesn't wrote copyright strikes. But anyway, I hope this one won't be a problem. And yeme is the post na shlakui enta na yona madlokonya video. Marana chava to copyright strikes. Anishtu kumangata nshabelela kubangani beat copyright strikes. Because my intention is not to own their material. It's just to celebrate the art in terms of music, you know, and celebrate and critique and analyze, talk about it. Just create conversation, you know. As boring karungwan just kuba ivana that thing or evlabla nyane so obshilezo. Ipulala mahlo kunwano of this. Nakuba people, I want people to usually think outside the box. Usually when that should there. Sometimes some of the things I say here nevan kanishtiwa kunhlamulo yin non drive karungwan. So you catch me. Okay, I won't. It's a viewing session at Western Committee. I think it's the first time we've had a viewing session your music video song kam Nkanelo Gingirikani. I don't know. No. This is contrary to what the song is saying. I know someone who did the storyline for this video is here now Western Committee. Yes. And I'm jealous what I think about it, actually. I love the pictures though. But that move, ya manlo mangalelangi, mara simirle kuleleni. Mara laka video abalelangi. Look, you know the TikTok videos like that cat trender. Ava akalela. So the TikTokers were literal about the song, but it looks like the song, the storyline in the video, shot komba kuna conflict. Cause manwa iyo huma angalelangi. Mara similarly kuleli. Interesting. Mandwa angalab notwa. She doesn't even want to hear anything. Risimu leruani, the woman that is singing Sandland is very polite. Vele kuleleni kumingana ngutel papa swinginhlaka ninga vuyi. Mareka video mandwa yo famba and again masuvona kununa la yima ya kwini. Se ku humelela yini? Se xinkomba ti pampers ambi I social ambi ambi pampers ambi ta ku social Okay, let's talk about the visuals so far. It's 30 seconds so far. I love the visuals. Great grading. The colors, is it colorization? The video editors. The grading is beautiful. You know, the filters is beautiful. Video letu komba ishutu like kwa kamalamlele kunga hempe. Yeah. Western Committee imala. Guys, look, you know that video leo kuna contradiction. I love this. I actually love this. Despite the fact that the location Mansandlen is quite questionable, but kuhlanzwa switch like Mansandlen ti-sign ta kona a ti tikombi nga ri ti vulavula hi ku hlantswa swibyi swo dyela la phamela ko vuswa swilo swa fana hinkwaswo. Hi guys, ku hlantswa swibyi swini lawa because ku hlantswa swibyi la nga ri swatswa. Where is this voice? Where is the visuals for this person singing these lines? I queen yena. Sula kuloko video le ishutiwa anga ri kona. Because we just see crowds mara munhu langa ku yimbeliwa xinuna sweswa a hi n'wi, because that is not Western community so far. Maybe yena waya. Guys, look at the picture lituane. Location ya Mansandlela ba cina ka ba ri kona na liwa. Let me do this. Unfortunately, I'll stop this video ne. Ntaban can you stop a for maybe itaba somewhere here. There. These visuals are more nicer and beautiful than the visuals that tinga telehandle ka location ya Mansandlela. So I wish this video was done with this kind of visuals, you know, because the visuals letuan they are more beautiful than leta tinga ka location ya Mansandlela. Maybe they should have avoided the dancing, maraba endla the stories, like telling the story like how they started. Kusuka andwini loko mhandlwa a pfula nyangwa huma famba nga lelangi even n'wanuna ku ya kwini, you know. And then now here, this is beautiful. These are beautiful visuals. But then when you compare this to this, as fun, the visuals letu atindla ku video yans. This is what I want to see. I wish this video was done like this throughout, with Mansandlela being the person in the video, you know, acting those things. It would have been great. But it's beautiful. The video, the visuals are beautiful. But I just wish the dancing could have been done differently, not like this. Because this works for me. The other things doesn't work. This, for me, it works. It looks like a music video. You know what I mean? I understand it's a traditional music video. Boy, you know. Let's try to surprise people and do the opposite. That's so obvious. Music video, you know. This video needed this. I wish it was like this throughout, or a little bit more. But this works. Timale did that children. Maybe this is where we could be having the dancing. Mansandlela should be doing a more like a story kind of storyline, storytelling kind of movements, like motion pictures, not vambalish belan vakava vatkomba varuchineni, you know. I don't know, because this works. Logo inchicha, then ivana kuchina kaso, it works. I'm not sure about that shot. Yeah, crowd. I'm not sure what they're doing there. I even see mabodele ya byala hansi, you know. This is West Mkimate. This works. Storyline. This is working. I like this. Ah, baby shower. Oh, swinga ni va pfuna ku hlantswa swandla. Hey guys. Guys, I'm not sure about this visual start. That crowd, this crowd, I don't know what they're doing. I know ku team ya West Mkimeti vala ku maka video. Mara, is this visual necessary? I don't think it's necessary. The way it was shot, doesn't make sense for me. It could have been shot differently. Maybe look at you shoot out from bottom up, you know, like showing. I don't know if you understand what I mean. I don't know what to call that kind of shot. I don't like this setting. This one, for me, this one doesn't work. The visuals start like West Mkimeti. They're nice. I don't know because shoot on different dates. I don't know. Mara, they're nice. Mara, this setting, yeah, Langona Mindset Line, I'm not sure about it. There's no storyline, there's no storytelling there. It's just her acting the lyrics. Maybe that works. The crowd and they're dancing, they're doing an action, then it works. It's necessary. It's relevant. Other than that, we can't just have a crowd out of the blue. What are they doing? Now they're dancing, then it works. I wish she was in a setting where Kukuna Babasati, it's like more of a baby shower kind of a setting. I wish it was done like that. It would have been nicer. Something like that. That shot that just happened now. This shot. That shot sitting on a camp chair, it works for me. I wish it was her sitting there and then singing with, like doing this, you know. This works for me. I love it. I like it. He's a lady Shagwenya. Vice make a baby shower. This is a nice storyline. I like it. Ashwoy. Is this the baby shower? where like this crowd is where the baby shower is being held, where kunama vanuna navasat, and then your nice lake and doing. It's a little confusing. Is this the baby shower that she was talking about? Munakuka baby shower bang wisa hi mova, but it blow it love kisses. Hi. Then this video reveals something about the song that was a little bit hidden. Baby shower is not the baby shower that we knew, as in the baby shower. There's more to this song than we anticipated or than we thought. Is it about cheating? Is this song about cheating? Is this song about infidelity in marriages? Interesting. It's making me to think now. Here it can look for the allow come for the I busy man, and I knew when I baby shower la I to make a camp chair, they were having nice drinks, and I gangwini. You know, that's why video leo reveals something about the song. It looks like similar to under baby shower blah blah go for him jolo kahle kahle. Igaru blah blah gangu. Baby shower kahle kahle. Now it's telling us something. The video is revealing things. It's not really about the baby shower like we know it. It's a nice video, nevertheless, and it makes sense. Logo because even the signal ta. Loko Mansandlen va hoxa ti-lyrics ta vona va kombise ku ri swi nga endleka ni va pfuna ku hlantswa while and then showing this area. Swi nga endleka ni va pfuna ku hlantswa. I like the video though. I really like the storyline. It's a very easy video to follow. And they shoot work out like some of the settings, I mean the locations could have been done differently. And also like a Mansand Land I have a huge issue na kona ka location lava imekona. I wish she was also doing the acting part herself. You know, then we'll have also the video will have given us an opportunity to get to know a different side of Mansand Land. Because we know she can dance, you know, we know she can sing. You know, but can she act? You know, and I know she can act. I wish the video had given her that opportunity to do those kind of movements where she's the one being fetched and the one being delivered or being dropped off from the baby shower. Yeah, it's a nice video, but I just feel like the Mansand Lens scene for me, it's a little bit questionable. But yeah, what do you guys think of this video? Do you think it works? Which scenes do you like in the video? I like the 30 seconds. First 30 seconds of this video for me, hundreds. And then the bits of the last part when the woman is being dropped off. Because it concludes the story. I like it. I like those kind of visuals. Those indoor visuals. Beautiful visuals. Beautiful visuals. But then great visuals like a crowd did, which are a little bit questionable. Some of them were not really necessary to be in the video. And I've talked about video because of supporter with Gimitwe. The video one mara umaga video kindla yini, you know. Hi, maybe the director star video le at fetus but anyway, yeah, it's a nice video for me. I'll give it 8.5. Maybe 9. It's a good video, this one. Let me give it a 9, guys. Let me give it a 9. Yeah. What do you guys give this video? A 9? Will you give it a 9 or something? You know? I really like it. I like these visuals. These are beautiful visuals. You know, I wish there was more of this. The story. You know. Because music video gives us an opportunity to do something we wouldn't have done in a song ka audio. So well done. And I also like the fact that stayed away from the TikTok videos leta ti kha ti trenda ti kombisa munhu a kha hlantswa swibye a sinkini before a kha a lela ka famba laha a xi lelangi xi huma xi famba swi kuma ku ri ku xavelile, which brings a bit of a discord when you talk about the song and the baby shower, because ka baby shower risimu ra kona i munhu wa ku le ku leleni kahle, ka leriwa la ka video nga le ku leleni o famba o huma a famba. Anyway, mi swi vonisa ku n'wina like the video, dislike the video, comment, let's hear ku n'wina mi swi hleketisa ku yini, mavonelo ya n'wina hi wahi, hi byeleni laha hansi ka Nkanelo wa Gingirikani na mina Mandla Gingirikani. Se ni twa ku hisa seni hi loko se hi la ku nghena ka madlokodya seni loko hi hela se hi la ku nghena ka madlokodya loko huma la. Guys, in case loko mina ngutini ka Nkanelo wa Gingirikani le gere mina ni kha ni ku eka sitaro selekile nyora, I'm thirsty ni tora, mi nga titimeli ka hisa guys, mi nga titimeli.